it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm in a different spot because we are redoing my beauty room, makeup room, whatever you want to call it. So I'm sitting at my formal dining room table, and we're going to make a couple videos here because that room won't be done for at least a week. We're going to paint it, and then we're coming, not we, but someone is coming to install new floors next week, and then I kind of want to redecorate it a little bit. So for the meantime, we're going to be right here, and this video I want to do, I've gotten Boxycharm for years. I mean, I've talked about it for I don't even know how long on my YouTube channel, but I haven't really gotten a chance to play with anything from last month or this month because I've just been so dang busy with work and with everything. So I've got it all laid out in front of me, and what I figured we would do is try to do an entire face using the stuff that came in Boxycharm the last couple of months. So for February, I have this Naked Cosmetics, what does this say? Holographic Highlighter Collection, which I'm real excited about. So you know I love highlighters, so we're going to do that. We have this Cover FX. I don't really know what this is exactly. Cover FX Shimmer Veil Amethyst. So is this, I guess, maybe eyeshadow? I saved with little cards so that we could see. Alright, Shimmer Veil. Multi-use shimmering cream colors. Crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks. Okay, so it's eyeshadow, like a little liquid eyeshadow type thing. We also got a vintage smoky eye pencil in jet black. So that'll be fun. And then we have a Crown Brush Trio set. Let's see with this Crown Brush Trio set. Contour, the small one can be used to conceal and highlight. The medium can be used to sculpt the cheekbones. The larger powder brush, okay? And then finally we have this Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. Look how cute the packaging is. Let's see. I haven't used this yet because I feel like that's not really something that you use before you put on makeup. Maybe you do. Let's see. A blend of sugar, nourishing. Let me read the actual package and see what it says I'm supposed to do. Directions. Using your index finger, gently massage it with cold water. Okay, so we're not going to do that one right now because I don't want to get up and do it. But that was for February, and then for March, I'm very excited because we have another Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Y'all know the other one that I got a couple of months ago I used like crazy. I have this Pretty Vulgar blush, which comes off a little purple, but when I swatched it last night, it's definitely more of a pink, but that is beautiful. We have a brush set, so for eyes, we have a Butter London Double Decker Mascara. I already pulled this out and looked at the wand, and I'm excited. And then we have another, like, maintenance type thing. I don't really know if that's what you call it. Like something not makeup. And these are gel eye packs. So you put them underneath your eyes, and they're supposed to just make you amazing. So we're going to hold off on these two things because we're doing makeup today. So what's not in here is foundation or powder or bronzer. Okay, yeah, because I'm going to use this for blush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put on those things, and then when I get to the blush, we will be back. So we're back now. I just used the Wet n Wild foundation. I love this stuff. I've used it maybe not for a year, but since, you know, it became popular online, like on YouTube and stuff, I started using it. So I use that. The bronzer I use is this Lorac Pool Party bronzer. I love it. For powder, I use the Wet n Wild pressed powder, and this is in the shade Neutral Buff to give you an idea of my complexion. All right, so now that all of that's on, I'm so excited for this blush. Okay, the packaging, number one, it's upside down. Number two, can we talk about how pretty it is? It like reminds me of like royal things, like it's just so like fancy. So I'm going to open this Trio brush pack, and we're going to use one of these to apply it. So I don't know how pigmented this is. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. Oh gosh, I'm nervous. Okay. That is pink. That's pink. I I typically like more dark blushes, like a deep maroon or even like a coral. Oh, y'all. Okay. That's just not my thing. It's very pretty. I think that a lot of people would actually like it. It's just not my thing. I think that my nieces would love this. So we're gonna package it up and that will go to them. I just opened these Vintage Cosmetic Company brushes and they're so cute. They say like step 2 for the shadow. Step 3, go, go, go. Step 1, for the money, for the shadow, go girl, go. How cute. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this holographic highlighter palette because I am dying to use it. So I'm gonna take this big brush. I know it's supposed to be a powder brush from the Crown, but I like a lot of highlighter. So we've got all these shades. We've got like a creamy color, lavender, gold, peachy. This is more of a blue actually. This is more of a lavender. And then this is like a rosy pinky color. So let's just swatch them first. These are the 3 at the bottom and then these are the 3 at the top. I will say that they look a little like chalky, but that's okay. That's nothing that we can't handle. I think, okay, I'm gonna go in with this blue one because why not? Okay, okay. Like, I don't know who I think I am today, but wow. Okay, okay. Maybe I'll go in with like, I just want to go crazy today, so let's go in with this green. Oh, all right, we done it. So, oh, wow. I want to play with this now. So these colors are beautiful. I'm going to go in with this color first and put it all over the lid all the way to the eyebrow. And then I'm going to take this step 1 from the Vintage. Okay, so I'm putting this on. I want something to just kind of lay down as a base. The other Pure Cosmetics palette that came a while ago, I use it every single day. Like I've hit pan on so many of those colors, but I love it. Now I'm going to take this next one, step 2. What is this one? Yeah, we're going to take step 2 and we're going to put something in the crease. So since we're using this like pinky mauve color, I think I'm going to go in with Belle, which is this color right here. Yeah, Belle, and we're going to put that, yeah, in the crease. Well, you know, kind of blend it all together. This BFF color is speaking to me, this like hot pink color down here. Now I'd like to point out that I don't work with colors like this often, so this could be a 100% complete disaster. But look how pigmented that is. Where do I want to put it? Let's do it on the crease or on the outer edge. Okay, now I need to blend. I need to blend it, oh God. It's kind of taking some of that initial color off. So I'm just going to put a little bit more right here. I also think I need some of that pink under here to just kind of make it all blend. I'm so afraid when I use colors like this because I always feel like I'm just going to look sick. I'm going to take some of this color called Nakey right here and just kind of I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to like blend this out so that it's not like hot pink up there. So I think I need to hold off because I want to try this out. This doesn't really go with the theme of what I've done to myself today. Okay, maybe it does. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it... I've never worked with anything like this before. I'm just going to put it right there on the inner corner and then maybe on the bottom. I will point out that this is really pretty. Like if someone knew what they were doing, they could like do something really nice with this. I'm just gonna take this like flat brush and kind of spread it out a little bit so it doesn't like, oh, I can't really move it. Okay. Y'all, it kind of burns. I have like super sensitive eyes though. I want something a little bit darker in the crease. Like, I feel like it just needs to be a little darker. So I'm going to take a mix of BFF and Duet. BFF is that pinky purple color and Duet is just this brown. So I'm going to take a mix of those two and just pray that I know what I'm doing. This brush has nothing on it. I'm just going to blend. I feel like I've lost a little bit of the pink. It's hard to get that color to stick. I think I've done everything that I can do with this eyeshadow. I think it's going to look better once I get mascara and everything on, but I want to use this. I mean, I think it's going to make the look a little too dark. Oh, wow. But that's what we're doing here is we're using everything that came in the box. So I think I'm just going to put it on the outer a little bit. I guess we're doing the inner too. I like that though. That works pretty well. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the mascara first. I'm going to just curl my lashes. All right, I'm excited for this because like I said earlier, I looked at the wand and it's a wand that I really think I would like. So let's put it on. So first thoughts on the mascara. I really love it. I think it did a great job of separating and lifting. So I'm pleased with that. I think just because this is how I am in life, I'm gonna go in with some more of this highlighter. I feel like I've already done it. Let's just continue. So I'm gonna go back in with this green color and just, I mean, let's go back in with blue. And then let's take this tiny brush and let's go in with the, let's do lavender. And let's just, so nothing that I got the last couple months came with any lipstick. So I'm addicted to chapstick. That's what I just put on. I feel like I need something on my lips. Do I? Let me run and get something, hang on. So I have a couple of different options. These are both MAC, like creamy lipsticks. This one is Fusion Pink. I got this free. This looks way more orange on camera. This is a hot pink. And then this one is just faux. I love this one. It's just like a really pretty nude. I got these for free because I turned in so many empties and they let you pick a couple of lipsticks. So what I'm gonna do first is go in with this Ofra Cosmetics lip liner in Spicy. Let's put nude on first just to be safe, and then we'll probably change it. So we have the nude on. What do we think? I really like this look. Let's just do it. Let's just go in with the pink. All right, and then I want to take a little bit of that green that we put on the nose and just put it right there. I need to, I didn't brush my brows. I didn't put anything in them, but that's just how we're going to do today. I typically don't put anything in my brows, so it's not uncommon for them to just look like this. All right, so that is a wrap on this video. I had a lot of fun doing this. It took a long time of me sitting here, but I'm really proud that I actually went out of my comfort zone and used like this in the corner, and then those hot pink shadows, I think was really fun. And I'm actually really, really happy with it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll put a link to Boxycharm down below if you're interested. They just lifted, they were on a freeze for a while. I guess they had so many people sign up, like so many members, that they were kind of frozen, like no more people could sign up. But last I heard, they lifted that. So I will put the link to Boxycharm down below if you're interested. I'm really happy with this. So yeah, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.